shines on us by day, so we can grow in every way. Plants, animals, and birds too need the sun as we and you. Sun shines on us by day, so we can grow in every way. Plants, animals, and birds too need the sun as we and you. How's going? Very good. I hope you are having a lot of interest talking about day and night. So kids, today we are having an activity of day and night. For that, I have kept some pictures of myself. So children, here you can see white part for the daytime and this part belongs to night time. So I will show you one picture after the other. You have to tell the name of that picture and also which side to put it, which side I have to put it. मैं किस side रखूंगी that you have to tell me. So which side will it be placed? Okay. So now children, an owl. Yes children. When can we see the owl? Can you tell me? Yes, correct answer. This is an owl, and owls we can see during night time. What is this, children? Yes, this is a sun. This is sun. So kids, when does the sun shine? Yes, during the daytime. So here, and children, this is a sunflower. So my dear kids, when does the sunflower bloom? Yes, daytime. Now, what is this? Can you tell me? Yes, good job. This is a star. So, when we can see the stars? Good. During daytime. Now the next is, what is this? Yes, colorful. Correct answer. This is a rainbow. We can see this rainbow in rainy season, children, but during the daytime. Okay, so I'm going to keep it here. Now, children, what is this? This is a kite. When can we see the kite? Yes, during daytime. And now children, this is an aeroplane. Very good. Aeroplane flies in the sky during mostly daytime. So my dear kids, what is this? Yes, shiny. Yes, correct answer. This is a moon. This is the moon. And you know children, we can see moon at night time. So I'm keeping here day scene and night scene. I hope you enjoyed, children. Yes. So my dear kids, as you can see, I had divided this page into two parts and filled the black watercolor in one, and I left the other like this. So children, I'm going to show you, I have to show you, that's why I'm using my page, but you have to use your medium size plain notebook. So you have to paint in this notebook. So kids, I have collected some pictures from some old books which are day and night pictures. So you can also collect them and paste them accordingly. So if you don't have, so you can draw small pictures. This part is day part and this part is night part. So this is a sun. This is a sun. When does the sun shines, children? Yes, during daytime. So I'm going to stick it here. So it's moon, children. So we can see the moon during night time. So I'm going to stick it here. This is a sunflower. When does the sunflower bloom? Yes, daytime. So I'm going to stick it here. This is an owl. So now children, tell me where I have to paste it. Yes, in this part. Owls we can see during night time. These are stars. Stars are during night time. An aeroplane during daytime we can see. Yes, now children, kites. Yes, you have to stick it here, day side. Now my dear kids, this is a butterfly. Butterfly also we can see during daytime. So I'm going to paste it here. So kids, your scenery is ready. Day and night. You can also... So kids, your scenery is ready. Day and night. You can also stick 2 or 3 pictures. It's okay. If you don't have much, doesn't matter. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and activity. Yes. So my dear kids, complete this work. Do not forget to wash your hands after this activity and stay safe. Bye-bye.